Macs do not get viruses, right? That is what people used to think. Now we know that is not true. There is a piece of software called AMOS that is affecting a lot of Macs all around the world. AMOS is short for Atomic macOS Stealer. It does not slow down your computer. It does not care about the websites you visit. All it wants to do is take your Apple keychain, your credit cards, and your crypto wallets without you knowing. This is the part about AMOS. It does not use complicated computer code to get into your system. Instead, it tricks you. The people who made AMOS use a trick called Google ad poisoning. Let us say you want to download an app like Notion or Slack. You search for it on Google, and the first link looks official. It is actually a bad link. When you click on it, you go to a website that looks real. You download a file, open it. Then you see some strange instructions. It tells you to right-click on something or type some code into your terminal. If you do what it says, you are in trouble. Once AMOS is inside your system, it starts causing problems. You'll see a box pop up on your screen asking for your Mac password. If you click Cancel, the box will keep coming. It will keep asking you for your password until you get frustrated and type it in. The moment you do that, AMOS will take your browser data, your passwords, and your keychain file, and it will send all that information to a server before you even know what is happening. If you think AMOS has affected your Mac, you cannot just throw the app away. It leaves behind some hidden files. First, you need to disconnect your Mac from the internet. Second, you need to change your passwords using a device. Start with your Apple ID, your email, your bank accounts, and your crypto exchanges. Assume all your passwords are compromised. Third, you need to run a scanner to find the bad files. You can reset your Mac to its original settings using a special USB installer. The best way to protect yourself from AMOS is to be careful. Never download software from Google Ads. Always go to the website or the Mac App Store. Never type your password into a box that you did not ask for. If you've seen that password box pop up before, let me know in the comments. Share this video with your friends who use Macs. Stay safe. I will see you in the next video.